Hi guys, it's KCFX here again. Alright, so this video now is going to be all about what we'll be looking at in this current week. Okay, so the week is of course the last week of April, which we are believing is going to come out very good for us. Okay, so now we're going to start with BTC USD. Okay, BTC USD is a crypto pair which we all know. Okay, we took an entry of this last week, which we made a little profit from. Great. Now what we want to see on BTC USD for this new week, want to see price. Okay, what you have here, want to see price come towards the golden zone, this area. Okay, the golden zone is this area. Okay, yeah, this area. Let me take out this so we don't all right, want to see price come towards this area. Okay, forget we have a green bar, which is a green candle which is going up, but that's not what we're looking for. Remember, we are waiting 85% and 15% we execute. So we don't force anything, we don't force the market to do our will. We want the market to do whatever it wants, as long as it's coming towards our entry level or doing what we want. Okay, so we are not doing anything, we are just patiently waiting for the market to do the needful for us to take an entry. Okay, so now we want to see price come down towards the golden zone, towards this area, which is the 0.5 area, the 0.618 area. Okay, for us to see criteria. Okay, right now it's a bullish one. Okay, so the criteria, as I always say on all my videos that I drop, okay, on the bullish side, on the criteria for bullish trend, okay, or the buying trend signal that I'll be dropping, want to see price coming to the golden zone and give us a red candle inside the golden zone, 30 minutes. Okay, remember 30 minutes candle needs to finish red, okay, inside the golden zone, while a green candle comes out and closes green inside the same golden zone. Then the next candle is our entry candle, which will be taken to the upside. Okay, that's just it. It's as simple and easy. Okay, so that's how it is. We want to see price come to the golden zone, give us a red candle, give us a green candle, and the next green candle is our entry to the upside. Okay, so that's what we're looking for BTC USD. Okay, it comes towards this level, give us a new higher low at this level, then we take our entry straight up to the moon towards this level, or towards this area, or towards this area. Okay, that's what we're looking for BTC USD. Okay, great. So let's go into the next, which is going to be the GBP USD, which unfortunately we missed out, but all the same, it's what it is. We move. Okay, we move. The market doesn't sleep. Okay, so always here to watch it. Okay, so GBP USD now, it has already started moving towards the upside. What we want to see now on this pair, okay, the only way we'll be taking an entry again, if only, okay, now if price can do this, okay, come down again, cross the previous, this is our entry level, which I spoke about on our previous video for last week, which pairs we took. Okay, want to see price come down, cross this previous higher low, okay, create a new higher low, but making sure price doesn't break this last dot line here. Want to see price come towards this level, okay, then here will be our third entry towards the upside. We are looking for price to do that. Okay, price is to come down, cross this previous second entry, give us a third entry, and we'll take our buy entry towards the upside. Or we want to see price keep on going higher, cross the previous higher high, okay, that's a high, give us a new higher high here, come down into a golden zone. Then what happens, we see our criteria is checked, then we take us a buy towards the upside. So that's what we want to see on GBP USD, okay, in this current week. Moving on, guys. Euro USD, let's go to Euro USD, let's see what's happening. Now on Euro USD, what do we see? It's clear that Euro USD has given us a new higher low, which is here, okay, but there's nothing for us to do right now. Okay, and remember, if you look clearly, you can see we have a black line here, which you see I tagged. Cross this line, price shifts towards, you know what, let me tag this down again. Okay, what I'm trying to say here, okay, let's see, if price, okay, breaks this line, okay, market shifts, okay, to becoming downward trend. Okay, now market now turns towards a downward trend generally. Okay, that still depends on how market still moves again. Okay, so what we're saying now is, if price breaks this line, market shift to becoming a downward trend. Okay, a downward trend. Okay, right now remember we have higher lows. That market generally is going towards the upside, so it's bullish. Okay, but if price does this, okay, let me show you. If price comes down, okay, breaks this black line, it means now price no longer going to be in a bullish overall term now. Okay, it's going to be now moving towards the downside again. Okay, so price must not break this black line. If it does that, it means now price now in the downward trend. Okay, so what we want to see now, we want to see price come up, cross this previous higher high. Okay, give us a new higher high here, then back into our golden zone, then we'll take an entry again towards the upside. Okay, that's what we want to see on Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD is still very much in a bullish trend. Okay, if we go towards the 4 hours time frame, we can see clearly that Euro USD is still very much going high. You can see clearly it's still going up, right? But if it breaks this black line, which you see I tagged, market is shifting. Okay, if price breaks that area, it shows market is getting weakened again. Okay, means market is shifting from bullish side back to bearish side again. Okay, which we don't really want to see. Okay, but remember GBP USD and Euro USD they work in hand, so we see how it plays out in this new week and we know what to do next. Okay, so what we want to see price keep going higher, okay, to give us a new high, then come down into the golden zone, then we'll take a buy entry towards the upside again. So we wait patiently for the market to do this for us. Okay, so that's that for Euro USD. Now we're going to gold. Okay, gold has been playing for a while. Okay, now this is a 4 hours time frame, and you can see we have a lower low down here, we have lower high, we have lower high 2, we have lower high 3, we have lower high 4, and our golden zone is still very much down here. We have not seen price coming to that area for going to 2-3 weeks now, which we are still humbly waiting for. Okay, so what we want to see now, we want to see price come down, okay, into the golden zone, give us our criteria, but this time remember, this time it's a bearish one. Okay, gold is still very much bearish. Okay, so on a bearish criteria, you know how we do it. We want to see a red candle finish, a green candle finish, another red candle, okay, finish, okay, before we take an entry towards the downside. So for now, we wait for price to come into the golden zone, criteria is checked, then we take an entry towards the downside. That's for gold. And remember, silver and gold do the same thing. So let's go to silver and see what silver is doing. So silver, now exactly what we saw on gold. We saw lower high here, we saw lower low down here, we saw lower high here. Okay, we saw another lower high here, we saw the third lower high here, we saw the fourth lower high here, which is the number 4. Okay, now I want to see price coming to the downside into the golden zone. On the 4 hours time frame, you can see price just dipping into the golden zone, but didn't give us what we want. Okay, so what we're looking for now on silver is price to come down into this golden zone. Okay, give us our criteria, which you know. Click there. Okay, criteria check. Then we take a sell towards the downside. So silver, we want to see price do this. Okay, so this is what we want to see. We want to see price do this before we can see ourselves taking into the downside. Okay, great. Now I'm going to go into Euro JPY. This pair has been all over the place. Okay, they've just been very slow for weeks now. Oh my, very slow. Okay, we saw Euro JPY and GBP JPY now turning bullish after several months of being bearish. Okay, overall, that's what I mean. Okay, so now we see price now. Okay, we have an uptrend market. We have a higher low, we have a higher high, we have a higher low. Now we have a higher high, but first it's a 4 hours time frame. Okay, we want to see price, okay, come into the golden zone as usual. Okay, give us our criteria. You know the criteria for bullish this time. For bullish criteria, you know how it's done. We need a red candle coming to that area, then a green candle. That's our entry point. Okay, here towards the upside. Okay, so Euro JPY is set. What we want to see is price coming to the golden zone. Criteria has been checked perfectly. Then we take an entry towards the upside. So right now we are just waiting for market to do our bidding. Okay, for us to take our entry towards the upside. Okay, great. All right, guys. So that's that for Euro JPY. We're now going to check GBP JPY. Okay, GBP JPY, same scenario, bullish phase, same as Euro JPY. We saw HL, higher low, we saw higher high, we saw a higher low down here, we have our HH up here. Okay, now what we want to see, okay, we want to see price do same thing as EURJPY is supposed to do. We need price to come down into the golden zone, criteria is checked, and price needs to push towards the upside after we have entered. Okay, so we are just waiting patiently for the market to come to us and do what we want, then we react. Okay, so we keep patiently waiting for this to come to reality. Okay, so we just wait, sit back and wait. Okay, there's nothing we can do. Okay, remember, good traders, professional traders, they don't trade every day, they don't trade every time. Okay, don't think by trading all the time will make you make a lot of money. That's a lie. Okay, you don't trade all the time to make money. That's a lie. Okay, you trade when it comes clear to you, you take your target, and that's it. Okay, you come into the market when it's clear. Okay, A plus trades, B plus trades are best trades. Okay, not C plus trades. C plus trades are trades that can happen and might not happen. C plus trades are meant for those traders that always trade all the time. Okay, C plus trades are trades you can see almost all the time on the chart, which is not really advisable to take. Reason why is because C plus trades can fail. Okay, and that's why I always say these things all the time. You see the trend, always follow the trend. Mostly check 4 hours to understand what the market is doing generally before you can start looking for where to enter. But best trades to take are A plus trades, B plus trades, and these A plus trades and B plus trades are categorized under professional traders or traders who don't trade all the time. Okay, you get the picture now, you get the point now. So that's that on GBP JPY. There's nothing much for us to do than to sit back on our chair, do something else, and let price and market come towards for us to take an entry towards our designated area. Okay, so that's that for this video session. This video session was all about the final week of April, and the final week of April supposed to give us something good, cool cash in our hands. Okay, we need to make money this week. Money has to come. Okay, so guys, I think that's where I'm gonna be stopping for this video. Remember, okay, trusting the system is key. Okay, patience is key, discipline is key. Okay, we need to be disciplined enough to make money. Okay, discipline is everything. Okay, so guys, we need to be disciplined to make sure that we're making this money fast and good, but with sense. You understand? All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever you need. Okay, I have my WhatsApp group on the bio down. You can click and join and get more insight from me daily. Okay, and also you can drop and comment on YouTube because this video is going on YouTube live. Okay, so you can comment whatever you need to know, and I'll be here to answer. Okay, I'm on 24/7 to make sure we're getting the best. Okay, trade like the banks, trade like hedge funds, trade like investors. Yes, you understand? All right, guys, so this is where I'll be stopping for this week. You guys have a wonderful weekend. Have a great day. KCFX out.